Okay. This is the road. In the middle of the woods.
This video is for Flora because we want to get her up there.
Whoa. What the fuck?
Oh, look at this. Wow.
It's filthy. Are we gonna get stuck? This is their lake?
Yeah.
Friggin' pave the road. Your car won't get stuck here? Doesn't look very glamorous. Can you fish in here?